Hey everybody, I am Nikki and I wanted to show you this cute little mini waffle maker, or honestly, it can make so many things. It is crazy. I see things all the time on different social media accounts, people making things in these, anything from using chocolate things to egg things to like types of vegetables crushed up and like mushed up and made into like, you know, cauliflower waffles and things like that. So it was actually kind of cool. So I'm like, I gotta get one to try it. And I thought it was actually interesting. It just shipped in the box like this. Little sticker on there, and it shipped as it is. So hopefully it is intact when we take it out. So I went with the black, but just because as you can see it matches the best here. But there's so many cute colors. Oh my gosh, so many cute colors. Look at how cute this thing is. Oh my gosh. Okay, am I behind the game or not? I don't know, but either way, I feel like I'm behind and I should have had one of these a while ago. But in case you don't have one, like I didn't have one, and you're looking at getting one, how cute is this thing? Oh my goodness, and it feels very sturdy. So I'm gonna turn it on so at least we can see how long it takes to heat up. I'm gonna plug it in right here. I'm gonna say that something about this light here. It's gonna, oh, yep, there's the light. So it's on, which is good. See how long it takes, if it's gonna beep when it's hot. Can't take very long to heat because it is definitely a small little element, which is nice. Easily packs away into a, you know, one of the cupboards or places that you put some of your dishes, or you can really put it anywhere. It's so tiny, it's so compact, it's awesome. So excited. Okay, it's getting warm. Whoa, don't lift it like this because the sides definitely get hot. Wasn't hot enough yet, but it will be hot. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna see what I can put on here. Okay, so you'll see the little indicator light here. Make sure, like I said, don't touch the sides, always lift it from the front. We're ready to go. So it says don't use any aerosol spray oils. I don't have any, so I'm gonna use a little bit of butter. Let's see how hot it is. Ooh, it's melting. That looks good. That looks good. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's all melted. So I'm gonna put that down. Put a little touch more. I'm gonna make a super quick grilled cheese sandwich in here. Let's try that out. So I got some butter in here instead of buttering the top of the bread. Okay, we got that. Okay, look at that sizzle. Oh my goodness. Can you see the sizzle in it, sweetie? Okay, let's do this. Throw it on there. I'm holding it. I don't think you need to hold it. Now there is no little beeps. Again, this isn't a full-on waffle maker, so I can understand there doesn't need to be a little beep. Just kind of watch it. Look at that. That's coming really nice. Let me get a little plate. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. This is awesome. And you can hear it grilling at the bottom. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. Look, if I would have left a little more, it would have been even a little more toasty. But that is nice. I think the next thing we have to do is have Doug try a little bite. Oh, crunch and everything. Yes. New way to make grilled cheese.
This is a good idea, honey.
Good job. Good thinking, sweetie. That's a hit. Loving it. Oh, other piece is gone. So again, don't touch the sides. Turn it off when you're done. This little guy is awesome.